Like, I don't know, like, you know, I don't do much. You see what I'm saying? I keeps it simple. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. As you can tell, the hair, we got the hair already plait up. Like I said, I like to do my little plaits. You see what I'm saying? That's all. That's what works for me. And thank you so much to everybody who loved my natural hair video. Like, I don't know, like, you know, I don't do much. You see what I'm saying? I keeps it simple, okay? But I'm definitely going to try and do some more natural hairstyle videos for you. Anyways, today our hair, you know, we got to plug the hair, okay, is from African Mall, and she is a full wig, body wave, 20 inches, 180% density. I will have all the information on her down below, so make sure you check her out. I'm sorry I can't show you like the full inside. I guess if I like push it out like this, but she's so nicely constructed. Like I said, she's kind of like full lace, well, kinda. It's basically like a 360 type of thing, but this little, you know, this little stretchy part up inside here, the hair is actually knotted on to that as well. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's no wefts in it, so everything, you see what I'm saying? Like, and I went ahead and I did some bendy rollers. I'm trying out these bendy rollers. I think this is the one something, okay, I cannot remember. It's 1 something inches, okay. As you can tell, they're like jumbo bendy rollers. So I've had this in here for about more than a day, I would have to say. I did damp the hair. I didn't put it underneath my dryer, which I kind of feel like I should have, but let's go in and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and take out, or is it just cool? You know when it's cool and you can't tell, is it damp or is it cool? This is the curl that I got, which is not bad, So I'm not gonna talk during this section for all the information. Check them out down below. You guys watch me do this a million times, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out and apply. Like, let's go. Okay, and the bendy rollers that I am using are from Annie Lego.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't care for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make it, and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check on me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Take free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. crashing down and in the rain. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down and in the rain. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. In our kingdom, kings fall, dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to getting the things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that, looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you check out African Mall Hair. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box down below. If it is your first time here and you like the vibe and all of that good stuff and what's going on in here, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, come on in. We are a happy bunch. Become a Silver Bell or a Silver Fox, whichever one you want to be. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and when you hit the notification bell, go inside and click all notifications. I mean, that's if you want to be notified. If you don't want to be notified, then just hit subscribe and that's enough. It's free. It's a free subscription. You do not have to pay for anything. It is free. Okay. Make sure you're following me on all of my social media platforms, Instagrams. Everything is under Savannah Sylver. Hey, share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really, really soon.